my channel. I'm TearaShanice, and today will be a full detailed hair review on this hair that I have in today. I believe it's like UPERMALL or UPERMALL. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that. I apologize if I pronounce it incorrectly, but I do also have a actually installing video, but this video is strictly just a review. So I want to just come give a review, and it's only been about 2 days, but I have so much to tell y'all. So definitely want to give a review. I'm not sure how long I want to keep this hair in, but for the time being, I want to go ahead and give a quick review, because this is like a wig that y'all must know about, because I didn't know at all. So I do want to mention this hair is not sponsored. I did buy this hair with my money. I'm not going to keep saying that in every video, but I do want to let y'all know, because it is 30 inches and I want to like put y'all on game. So this is a 30-inch wig, a 13x4 lace frontal wig. I did order this wig from Aliexpress. I ordered it I'm not really sure exactly how. I don't even think about a month ago. I ordered this wig, and at first I was going to get maybe like a 26, 28, because honestly I don't like really long hair, because I don't like sitting on my hair. But I ordered a 30-inch because of the price. So this is a 30-inch 13x4 lace frontal wig, transparent lace, and I ordered 180% density, because that was the highest density that was made for this particular wig. I believe it was only 150% and 180%. So I ordered the 30 inches and 180% density, and I know that's kind of like because anything really after 26, you really need 200, because it'll be kind of thin. So we're going to get into all of that. I'm gonna let y'all know how I actually found out about this hair. So I actually sell hair myself, and of course we all have WhatsApp. So a random vendor just honestly just like reached out to me and sent me a link. So I was like, you know what, let me check it out. So I did, and I was like, what? And then I seen how much it was. I was like, what do I have to lose? Because just 150. So I ordered it, and after I ordered it, I was like, oh my goodness, I recently just moved, so I needed to update my address. So I think I updated it or contacted them the next day, because I couldn't figure it out. I didn't feel like getting on my iPad. And I contacted them the next day. They responded within minutes, and they got everything taken care of. I had no problems whatsoever. So customer service definitely was A1. They got back to me. They let me know everything about it. I'm actually happy they contacted me and let me know about the wig too, because I mean, who does that? So customer service was really, really good. The wig came within 2 weeks. It did not take a long time. It did not come in a week. It came in approximately about 2 weeks. So that was okay. I honestly forgot about the wig. But I seen it in my mailbox. It came in 2 weeks. It came in a bag. I'm not really sure. I don't have any of that with me. So I don't have like an unboxing or anything. I believe I ordered a body weight wig. The hair was nice and silky. It looked very full. The ends looked kind of stringy a little bit. I'm going to show y'all like a full 360 in a little bit. But the ends kind of look stringy. But I was like, you know what? It's 30 inches. If anything, I can always add a bundle. So I'm okay with that. The frontal is full. Like, it's not one of those itty bitty frontals on the side. It's definitely full all the way across. So I absolutely love that part. For $157, like a full frontal, like the wigs that everybody else, you know, they don't be doing what they supposed to do. So I love that about the wig. It does have some flyaways, but I'm sorry, what you getting for the money, you can't beat it. So with this wig, at first I had it in the middle part. I feel like, because I have like kind of low temples, so I have to pull my wigs all the way down. So I did cut off a little bit in the front, so my parting really isn't that far. But that's because of my head. I'm pretty sure that if I had like a normal hairline, what's normal nowadays, but if my hairline was back there or something, I wouldn't have to cut anything off. So it is like technically 13 by 4. The frontal wasn't like thin or anything. Everything was pretty much good. It was definitely true to length, I think, because I had a 26 inch and it looks about the same length as this. So to me, I feel like it's a little short. I am 5'6", and this does come, so this wig flows, it kind of comes like the top of my butt, not like the very top, but you know, like the upper part of my butt. So I guess it is true to length with this wig. I'm gonna get up and show y'all exactly how long it is on me. With it being 30 inches, and I did crimp the hair. This is the front view, so it is pretty long. It is pretty long. I'm standing up on my tippy toes, so it does go all the way down here, but y'all know like this part is not like thick. So it's not like, you know, it's, I don't know. So I'm gonna turn around in the back. So it does come, okay, it does come about mid or maybe bottom. But the thing about the wig is that it's not all of that thick. So I know it's 180% density. I'm gonna end up adding a bundle. I don't know about y'all, but I am. I don't know. So I mean, I put crimps in this wig to make it look fuller. I did wear it straight yesterday and it looked very stringy. So I did add some crimps to it. If I were to order this, y'all definitely don't get 30, like get like 24 or something. So the 180% density actually looks like 180% density. Usually the longer the hair, the thinner it's gonna be, and you know, they giving you what you ordered. So you can get away with it and do what I did and just crimp it and make it like fluffy. Y'all know I just combed it right before this video. So I'm just trying to, you know, get it out there. But I do like the hair, no lie. I did get some, not shedding, I did get tangling. So this hair doesn't really shed. It may just tangle, but it doesn't really shed. Like, I just did that, I got nothing. But it does like snag and stuff like that. But honestly, I didn't wrap my hair. So I don't know if that can play a part. So I did not wrap my hair. I did get some tangling. I had these crimps in all day, so obviously it takes heat very well. I did do this style. I think it's kind of cute. I was just trying it out. So there is a ponytail back here, kind of like a half up, half down. Just a little slick back look or whatever. Yes. But I love the crimps on this hair. I feel like it's really cute. I don't feel like it's bad, but eventually, you know, if you want, just add a bundle to it. The lace is very good. At first, I did do no baby hairs, but because of this style, I was like, you know what, let me add a little something, something. So this is what it turned out to be. It fits perfectly on my head. So I did not even adjust. I didn't adjust the bands in the back. I actually just put it on my head and it fits so comfortably. It fits good. It fits good. But this part right here, the ear tab, like it's been hurting my ear, but I didn't want to like cut it off. So I just been tucking it and like pulling it back. And that's basically it. But other than that, the wig is really good. What you getting for the money, I would definitely suggest it. But maybe like a shorter length because it is a little bit thin in my liking. It does have like a natural luster to it. It is brown, like a dark brown and not like jet black. It doesn't have like, since I was able to crimp it and it wasn't burning or nothing, it doesn't have synthetic fibers as far as my knowledge in it. So it is basically human hair. It wasn't catching on nothing, it wasn't burning or anything like that. I was able to put heat to it, and honestly, these aren't even hairspray crimps. Like, these are just with the crimps going fast. fast. Like, it took heat very, very well. So if you were to curl it, I'm pretty sure you'll be good. These are just some really light crimps on it, and it just looks really good. I really like it for how much I paid. You can't go wrong. Will I order from this company again? Pretty sure, like $150 for a 30-inch. Like, I'm sorry, but for a quick look, even a weekend thing, come on, like, come on. And some of the pictures, so they don't have too many reviews on it, and I think that's probably what may be triggering them. They don't have too many reviews on the actual hair, but I did see about 7 or 8 reviews, and some people have dyed it and stuff like that, so I'm guessing it can take color. The knots did bleach very well. I had no problems bleaching the knots. Nothing shed after that. Like, the hair is like legit. Like, the hair really is legit. It came fast. They communicated with me. I got what I ordered. I really wish the ends weren't thin. Like, this is like all of the hair. This is all of it. So I guess this is thin, but it depends on how you really style it, because it kind of looks natural, but it is kind of just too thin. But you can always eventually, if you're pushing for money, you know, get it and just keep adding. Just keep adding. You know, the girls who want the 40 inches, like, add a bundle and you'll get it. So so far so good. Again, this is only day 2. I don't really have like a full review, but I do want to dye this wig red, and I'm probably going to do that in the future. I just wanted to see what it looks like first before I end up dyeing it. This wig is not snug on my head. It fits perfectly. There are combs and there are straps in it. So far so good, as I can say. But I will link everything down below, and I will try to like input everything on here as well, so y'all can know. Again, this is a Aliexpress vendor. This is the hair up close. You can see the color of it. These are my light crimps. This is how long it is, and this is in the front. So this is how long it is. You can see my pants are all the way down here. So this is how long the hair is, and it's really, really nice. And again, I'm TearaShanice. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do that now. And if you like and appreciate this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in my next video.